very intoxicated. Yeah, the story doesn't add up. He's just all over the place.
It's recording, but you can watch it from there. Don't touch it.
Okay.
I'm gonna go find him.
Yep. Are you able to save this footage?
Yeah, it's recording right now.
Oh,
I'll
perfect.
email it to you.
Awesome.
He also walks back up in just a minute. He goes over to the beaver and then he came back.
What does he do after that?
He was just talking shit about it. I was out there. So he kept it moving.
Okay.
So after that. Alright, if you could just email that to me.
Yeah. Do you have your
Yeah,
card?
I'll give you one. Cool. Thanks so much, Danielle.
No problem.
Alright, Bobby. We'll go get him. Take care.
Alright, thank you.
Howdy, gentlemen. How you doing? Hey, Cody.
You already gave my partner your phone number?
Okay.
You already gave it to him?
I did.
Okay, perfect. All right, turn around, you're under arrest.
What?
Turn around, you're under arrest. If you fight me, I'm gonna put you on the ground.
What am I under arrest?
You're under arrest for assault and trespassing.
For what? For what?
I just told you.
Assault and trespassing.
Yep.
Where? Where am I arrested? For assault and trespassing for what?
Yep. So that guy that you were making aggressive movements towards is pressing charges.
Really? How am I under arrest?
Because stop turning on me.
You guys, come on.
Nope.
How could I be under arrest?
Based on your behavior, Cody, in the video, you appear to be the aggressor. Someone can defend themselves and think they're going to be attacked. So when you start making aggressive gestures towards people and take a fighting stance, that can be perceived as a threat. If someone does a defensive measure to protect themselves, that's allowed. Okay? Because if they think they're going to get attacked, they can defend themselves. Alright? So in the video, you appear to be the aggressor. You're the one coming up, instigating, continuing to advance on him. Okay?
Dude, you guys, come on, that's bullshit, man. You guys are, that is.
We went off the video, Cody. We took your statements, took his statements, and we looked at the video.
You guys are bullshit.
Okay.
Why do
That's
you guys
fine.
wanna-
I looked at the footage.
why do you guys
Your
wanna
story
do
didn't
that
make
like
sense,
this?
so I
You
would
guys
watch the
wanna
footage.
like this, man? It's fucking not cool.
Well, it's not cool.
Just think it, just for.
Okay. Well, you doing what you did is not cool either.
What?
All right. Come on over here to my car. I'm going to walk you down the street. Back down towards... Stop trying to turn on me, Cody.
So just go with the program, Cody.
Stop.
Cody, stop.
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 You're not trying, and you're not listening. Stop what you're doing.
Just relax.
This is really it's pretty unbelievable.
Cody, if you look at the footage, that's what we're going off of.
You're going off the footage?
Off
Yup.
the footage.
You told us to look at the footage.
We took everyone's statements into consideration.
Yeah.
Okay, it'll go on the report.
Okay.
But obviously the video is not going to lie.
Yep.
So, yes, he did kick you.
Yep.
Okay, that was after you started making aggressive gestures towards him. Okay, assaultive behavior. We'll go to this next one.
I just.
Hold on.
That's
Yep.
mind blowing, man. Okay. Guys, I'm not gonna fight you. I wouldn't want to fight you.
Well, I do appreciate that.
Yeah, I'll be fully chill. You know.
I'm glad about that.
Yeah. Like we don't have to be all crazy.
I'm not being crazy.
I know. Just like,
You're just trying to turn on me after I told you don't
would
turn
never
on me.
turn on you.
I have told you
Why
stop
would I-
turning around on me, and you keep on turning around on me.
What do you mean turn on me?
Turning around, and I say don't turn around.
What do you mean?
So, for example, look away from me, face the
Oh.
car.
Sorry.
Well, you went to the casino at least?
I did win at the casino.
There you go.
So that's gonna at least be good, but fuck, I can't believe you guys are gonna pick me.
Well, right now it's a private party arrest. So, we're basically arresting you on his behalf. So it's a misdemeanor not committed in our presence.
Oh, it's a misdemeanor?
It's a misdemeanor. Jacket too already?
I went in that pocket. Does this thing have an inside pocket anywhere?
It probably does, but I know not to come to Nevada with. I said I ain't got anything on me.
Separate your feet for me.
Yes, sir.
No, just separate your feet. There you go. Hop on in here for me, Cody.
Yep.
Anything else from these guys?
My God. But you said you weren't?
In the contact and recording.
I want to know how many times he's come over here, actually, because then they can get harassment in there too. Or is that under threat still?
It's under threats.
It is under threat. Okay.
Yeah.
So, threats, assault, trespassing.
Does Bobby remember what he said to him?
So threatened to have people kill him.
Cop going to hit me with it. What? A glass cup. Okay.
Yeah, you can see him getting into his face
Yeah.
and like cocking back with the.
Yeah.
So that's easy. I don't think so. I think we're good.
Okay, I'll ask him if they. No, the sidewalk. You still rolling?
Yeah.
Sidewalk, I don't know if it's public or private. I want to say it's public,
It's public. It's
but it's not maintained by the county.
maintained by these
By
guys.
the, the law
Or
building.
at least the building.
So they like own up to the street, almost. As long as people don't loiter.
But there's also a.
Public easement.
Yeah, because
It's
him
ingress,
coming up
egress.
to the entrance of it is still their immediate vicinity.
Yeah.
After being told numerous times to leave that
Yeah.
vicinity, he stayed. So I think you've still got trespassing.
So I am going to jail? then?
You are, yes, sir.
Well, but I thought you said I was I guess we want to fight, huh?
What do you mean?
Douglas County and California. I don't know why you must Mayor Pro Tem for it's something to do.
Based on your behavior,
This is the behavior that
One-on-one.
really? Oh my god.
What?
I'll be
en route to
I'll
the
be
jail.
honest.
J3 mail.
Midnight 46.
I mean that's unreal. I think you think you have the video surveillance that showed that you have the right to come arrest me. It's wild. But we'll find out. So good. I mean, it's not over. It sucks. It'll be fun. Damn, I was almost literally just gonna go. I was like, literally just about to jump in the cab. Hopefully not Mendon, right?
Nope, right up here.
Because it said I was just messing with you. So I should be able to, like, can I get out from up here?
Yeah, once you're sober.
I haven't had any time, but I was like, having one.
Don't lie to me.
What's that?
You've had quite more than one.